Hello guys, Global Studio here today for Autocad tips and tricks. In this video we are going to learn how to delete these constraints in this drawing. As you can see, there are many constraints are available like parallelism, collinear, perpendicularity and horizontal constraints are available in this drawing. We will discuss how to delete these constraints. If these constraints are visible in this drawing, then it will be little bit difficult for us to edit the sketches. In this video we will discuss how to delete these constraints. Just to select the entire sketch and then go to delete constraints. Just click to this. As you can see, all the constraints got deleted now. And the same way you can put the constraints back using the auto constraint option. As you can see, all the constraints are visible now. But we don't want the constraints anymore. Just select the sketch and delete the constraints. That's all guys. I hope you guys learned this trick properly. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.